In recent years, Turkey has increasingly demonstrated its ambition to become a self-sufficient and innovative global military power. One tangible demonstration of this ambition is the launch of its latest submarine. Claimed to be one of the largest and most advanced in the world, this project is not merely a symbol of military strength, but also a representation of Turkey's progress in domestic defense technology. The primary hull material is special high-strength steel or a metal alloy that is resistant to pressure and corrosion. This steel is cut into large plates, then formed into cylindrical curves using a high-pressure rolling machine. The formed steel plates are then assembled into large rings. This submarine is designed with cutting-edge technology that combines stealth capabilities, long cruising range, and modern weapon systems. One of its outstanding features is the use of an air-independent propulsion system, which allows the submarine to stay submerged for extended periods without having to surface for oxygen. Furthermore, the submarine is equipped with an advanced sonar system to detect threats from a long distance, as well as an encrypted communication system that allows secure coordination with other military units. Its armament includes heavy torpedoes, anti-ship missiles, and the potential integration of cruise missiles for land attacks. What makes this project even more exciting is the level of involvement of Turkey's domestic industry. Defense companies, such as SDM and various local contractors, are playing a key role in the development and production of this submarine. This demonstrates Turkey's serious efforts to reduce its dependence on weapons imports from other countries. The submarine is designed as separate cylindrical modules, such as the bow, center, and stern sections. At this stage, these modules are lifted and placed sequentially using heavy cranes. Laser alignment technology and digital measuring systems are used to ensure each module is in the correct position. Main structure welding. Once the modules are properly assembled, welding is performed to join the parts. Welding on a submarine is one of the most critical processes because the joints must be able to withstand the extreme pressures of the deep sea. Welding techniques used include automatic electric arc welding, layered welding to increase strength and inspection. Self-sufficiency and defense equipment production has been a top priority for the Turkish government over the past decade. By developing its own technology, Turkey is not only enhancing its military capabilities, but also strengthening its economic position through the export of defense products to other countries. The launch of this largest submarine has certainly attracted international attention. Countries in Europe and the Middle East are closely monitoring this development. For Turkey's allies, this move can be seen as an effort to strengthen collective defense. However, for others, it could raise concerns about an arms race in the region. However, the Turkish government insists that this development is defensive in nature and aims to safeguard the country's sovereignty. In various official statements, Turkish officials have emphasized the importance of having a strong navy amid increasingly complex global dynamics. With the launch of this submarine, Turkey demonstrates its readiness to compete in world-class military technology. The focus is not only on fleet size but also on the quality and sophistication of the technology used. This step is expected to be followed by the development of other defense systems, including warships, naval drones, and AI-based defense systems. Going forward, this submarine is expected to become the backbone of Turkey's underwater fleet and a symbol of the renaissance of the national defense industry. With a combination of technology, strategy, and human resources that continue to evolve, Turkey looks set to become an increasingly important figure on the global military map. The launch of Turkey's largest submarine is not only a technical achievement, but also a political and strategic statement. It reflects a new direction in the country's defense policy, emphasizing self-reliance, innovation, and regional strength in a changing world. Steps like this demonstrate that Turkey is not only keeping pace with global developments, but also striving to become a major player within them.